Matthew Show, Matthew Show. Get up, kids, it's the Matthew Show, Matthew Show. Today, I am in the beach.
What are you doing at the beach? Who's with you?
Gracie.
Gracie, your baby sister. Grace, you at the beach today?
Hi.
Are you guys gonna look for? What are you guys gonna look for right now?
Sharks.
Oh, maybe Gracie's digging for some treasures.
And you will see me go in the water.
You wanna go see in the water? Matthew, are you gonna catch some? Are you gonna catch some? Hey, tell everybody, what are you gonna catch? Are you gonna catch some baby sharks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like my dad got bited in his tummy.
Yeah. Uy, we got a little doggy over here. Got a little doggy. Oh. Matthew, you're at the you're having fun at the beach.
Dad?
Yeah. We're at the where we are at the Malibu Beach.
Yeah.
How's the water, Matthew?
Good.
Is it cold?
No.
It's warm, right? Matthew? Have you seen any sharks in there? Just a little bit, right? Any fishes?
There's a lot of nasty things here.
What are they called? ¿Cómo se llaman? They're algae, right?
Crabs.
Oh, I see you got your floater right there.
Okay.
Why are you wearing a floater? You scared? You scared you're gonna drown? Or you scared for the sharks?
Step away from me.
Huh?
Look at this.
Hey, who you gonna invite to the beach next time, Matthew?
Maybe.
Huh? Are we gonna bring baby Sophie?
Oh yeah.
Are we gonna bring Pablito?
Yeah.
Tell Pablito. Matthew, tell Pablito to come to the beach with us.
Hey, Pablito, come on the beach.
Are you scared?
I'm cold.
You're cold? Alright.
This is everybody knows sands. And I have a question for you fathers.
What do you want to ask them?
Do you been the beach before?
Have
The beach.
Have you guys ever been to the beach before with your parents?
And your parents?
Mm-hmm.
And your brothers or your sisters?
Mm-hmm. Have they find anything?
Do you find anything like crabs? Crabs live in the night.
What else? What else can you find at the beach?
Some shields like for the birds, and they eat it. They eat things.
Matthew, show everybody where the surfers are. You see how they're surfing over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that, Matthew. Look at the little kid. He's learning how to surf right there. See it? Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Oh yeah. See how cool that was, Matthew? We need to get you one of those. You think you can do it? Look, Matthew. You think if I bought you one of those boogie boards, you think you can do it like that?
Yeah.
Let me see. You sure?
Yeah.
What are you doing there, buddy?
I'm just digging.
You putting sand in your legs?
Yeah.
Is that fun? Is it cold?
No.
Huh?
Why is cold?
The sand. No?
No.
Mm.
Why? Thank you guys to watch my show on Matthew's show.
We're going home.
Now we're going home.
We're over with the beach.
Over on the beach. And I hurt my ankle.
You twist your ankle, right? Or maybe a shark bite your ankle?
No, the big water.
Okay. Out, we're out. Peace out.